Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This episode is about, basically my last week. I've been running Content Eyes for over a year right now, and last week was especially interesting because I finally managed to hire some more people full time who started with me. Basically, one full stack developer, one machine learning engineer, and together with Chris, who's a marketing person and Content Eyes, we're together building something like a rocket. The company is really developing and it's great. Uh, there's a lot of work out there because, first of all, we want to upgrade to better models, to have better infrastructure. On the other hand, we want to basically rebuild how the front end looks, how everyone operates within the system. Finally, also, we want to uh, build a writing community. So that means sharing tips on how to write best. We just created a private Facebook group for our paying subscribers. Also, there's the website on our main website. There's resources website where you can find writing tips. Uh, so how to write a blog post, how to write a listicle, how to write a review. You'll find all that there, and there'll be more added on top of that very soon. So there are those couple of things that are going on right now: rebuilding the software, building the consistent content marketing strategy, and also building a community around writing, around marketing, and around SEO. So it's been pretty exciting. It's been pretty hectic as well. There are a lot of things happening. On top of that, I've started recording a course on AI. This time it's going to be in Polish. I'm running that together with my colleague. It's to be great. I'll definitely share with you results once I have them, so that if you're a Polish speaker, you can have a look at that. The quality of the course will be definitely amazing because this is what we're striving for, with all the best cameras, the best screen recorders, and so on. And also the content of the course will also be exciting because we're going to have very practical use cases of how to use AI in actual business cases. The course is primarily for people who want to build an AI powered product, or want to use AI in their existing product, whether that be in a startup, you're a solopreneur, or if you're working at an enterprise, it doesn't matter. You'll find something interesting for you in this course. So if you want to check it right now, the name for the course, the website for the course is in Polish aiwpraktyce.pl. And if you want to check that, go there. This is a website where you can find everything that will be in the course. As I said, we're just recording. The sellings will start probably in a couple of weeks. So there's definitely some exciting news along the way, together with Content Eyes, that makes a lot of my time right now. And I'm super excited what's going to come next because Content Eyes is basically growing. I plan on hiring even more people for, first of all, content marketing, helping me with making really a community around writing, SEO, and um, all the stuff related to marketing, as I mentioned. So pretty exciting, pretty hectic as well. Let me know if you have any comments regarding that. I plan to definitely record more videos on YouTube, uh, documenting my journey, what I've been doing so far. So I want to make this YouTube channel more into a channel for people who want to build basically AI products. So I have all these videos about AI courses and data science courses, but I also want to complement that with videos about how to become an entrepreneur, how you can do something as a solopreneur, and so on, and how you can bootstrap whatever you're doing into an actual solution and start selling that on the market. Thank you for watching. If you want to follow me, subscribe to the channel, leave a like below the video, and see you in the next episode.